I also noticed that your closing sound is actually one that I have on my sample pad for
What's
our
my
live
closing
shows.
sound?
The game over.
Oh yeah, I mean, I stole all that. I don't know where it came from.
I play that at
It's
the
like
end of
YouTube
every
or
single
something.
show. Every
I
single
never
show
heard that at all.
You play that?
Yeah, every
play
show.
it?
Every at the end of
same
every
exact
single
thing?
show, I hit it and it goes game over.
Have you played it at ours?
Yeah. Every show.
We used to have
You guys, so you have
I
that?
have never heard that.
Yeah, I've never
as
heard
soon
it
as,
either.
as soon as we hit that
So are
last
you
note,
saying
I
that-
go game over. Every show.
I think you're bullshitting us.
I'm not.
Are you saying that so I'll stop using
Jamie,
it
can
so
you
then you
backtrack
can
that?
start using it?
No,
Are you
I'm
trying
just-
to steal this from me
I'm
right
just
now?
saying. I'm just saying that I am an avid listener of your podcast because I
Ooh. Appreciate
genuinely
that. Wow.
enjoy your stuff.
The-
and I noticed
The check's on the table on the way
Thank
out, by
you,
the way.
thank you.
He's kissing your ass.
Make